Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I'm down at the south end of Pelican Bay Beach in North Naples. I'm on the north shore of Clam Pass. I just wanted to give you a quick look at how the Clam Pass rerouting project is going. The beach is closed down here. I'm staying out by the water line. And some words of advice, you probably don't even want to come down here, stay away. They're not working today. That's why I chose to come down on a Sunday, stay out of people's hair. But this sand here in front of me is like quicksand. It's all new sand. You'll sink right down in it. So my advice is just don't even walk along the water line here like I'm doing. But I know there's a lot of curious folks wanting to know what's going on. The last time we were here, the water was very, very close to the buildings up there. Now they've got a lot of new beach. A lot of new beach. That is good news for the folks in Pelican Bay. I was talking to one of the gentlemen from the crew here, the construction crew, and he said they think they're going to be out of here by the end of this week. I don't know if he was taking in account for the holiday there. But look at that, it looks totally different. Go back and look at my last video that I recorded down here. That's as far as I'm gonna go. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, just to let you see what it looks like up by that building. Think back a week or so ago when I was down here. There was only 5-10 feet between that building and the water. It was very scary. Not now. This looks totally different. Can't wait to get back down here when they're done and see what the actual pass itself looks like. Wish it was sunnier out, but you get the idea. Pop back out to the wide shot. Again, hit that share button. I know a lot of folks are curious as to what's going on down here. Hey, if you like the beach, follow me live in the mornings for my beach walk. You can find those on Southwest Florida Television's Facebook page, starting around 6:30 a.m. right now. Great way to start your day. A lot of great folks watching with us, just like you. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.